5.5 covers node configuration and maintenance and includes the following benchmarks. Ensuring Container Optimized OS or COS is used for GKE node images. Ensuring node auto repair is enabled for GKE nodes. Ensuring node auto upgrade is enabled for GKE nodes. Ensuring automated GKE version management when creating new clusters. Ensuring shielded GKE nodes are enabled. Ensuring integrity monitoring for shielded GKE nodes is enabled. And ensuring secure boot for shielded GKE nodes is enabled. Container Optimized OS is a handy, managed, optimized, and hardened base operating system. This helps you bring up your containers on GCP quickly and securely, and it requires no on-host setup. It also has a smaller footprint, reducing your instance's potential attack surface and lockdown firewall and other default security settings. Of course, nodes in a degraded state are a security risk, so Kubernetes Engine's node auto repair feature helps you to keep the nodes in your cluster healthy and running. It makes periodic checks on each node in your cluster. If a node keeps failing health checks, it will automatically initiate a repair process for that node. Node auto upgrade mitigates known vulnerabilities. It uses the same update mechanism as manual node upgrades, but with auto upgrade enabled, your node pulls are automatically scheduled for upgrades when a new stable Kubernetes version becomes available. CIS also recommends subscribing to the regular stable release channel to automate version upgrades to the GKE cluster. Which one you choose depends on how much stability you require, but both receive critical updates. Shielded GKE nodes ensure that firmware is unmodified and establishes the root of trust for secure boot, which means it protects clusters against boot or kernel-level malware or rootkits which persist beyond infected OS. You want integrity monitoring for shielded GKE enabled to make sure you're getting alerts for integrity failures. And lastly, enabling secure boot for shielded GKE nodes is critical to verify the digital signature of node boot components. And if you don't do this, an attacker could alter boot components to persist malware or rootkits during system initialization.